Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Twine It Up Challenge, and this is hosted by Creations by Favi and DIY Beauty on Purpose. If you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. This is the final reveal, you guys. I'm so excited about these projects, how they turned out. So this is my upcycle lotion container. So it came in beautiful green color. So I twined the top part of the lotion jar, and this one is one of the champagne container from Dollar Tree, and then I twined it up, and I also gave the burlap ribbon on the top and a leaf, and set of 3 leaves and a flower in the base of the container. So this is just a candle holder, farmhouse style, and I'm so excited about this one too. And this is actually one of the smoothie bottle with one of the condiment container, and then I just stuck it together to give like a farmhouse milk jar. And those are the 2 handles I gave with aluminum foil, and you saw the process. And I just stuck 2 of the pearl stickers just to give like a rusted, the thing that holds the container. I don't know the name of it. So, and I twined it up everywhere to just give like a farmhouse look to it, and I decorated the top with some of the florals and greeneries. So like you saw the process, this is one of the Easter egg, and I twined it up with jute and also stuck one of the beautiful burlap ribbon in the center to decorate it. And yeah, and you saw the garland from my previous project. So these are the few farmhouse style projects that I want to share here, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.